Enhance the flavor of your regular meals using this amazing flavorful homemade garlic and herb butter. Start by washing up your herbs that can have a lot of dirt, and then pat dry them really well. Take the leaves off from stem, and now all herbs goes in the food processor with all the flavorings, and then you gotta grind them really fine. So I'm putting three different varieties of herbs, garlic cloves, and some salt, which is optional. If you use salt in the process, make sure that when you cook your meal, you adjust them. Make sure everything gets grind really well. And now it's time to add softened butter, which is the key ingredient for this recipe, and run the machine again to whip up all ingredients while the flavors are all blending in. Smooth, flavorful garlic and herb butter is all ready. Finally, put them in your choice of mold. Here I have gone fancy by putting them in a flower mold, which looks cute. Chill, and then they are ready for use. This garlic and herb butter is very flavorful and will lift up the flavor of all your dishes.